Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to vlogs, and Jordan Sweeney here. So what we're doing today is just a regular vlog, and I don't know what's going to happen today. And whenever I do regular vlogs, I don't know what to name them. So guys, comment unless something happens in the vlog. I don't know what to name my title on my. I don't know what to name my YouTube videos. Whenever I just do regular vlogs. So we're gonna have to do something special, guys. We're gonna do something special real quick. We are going to be doing a prank on my sister. JK, guys, no we're not. We are going to be doing, we are going to be doing some, and actually I don't know why I said some, but we are going to be doing a video that you guys have been waiting for 2 days. So, we're finally doing this car reveal video. We're going to see what my mom's new car is. So, without further ado, I am going to be in the garage. In 3, 2, I'm going to do this. Oh yes, it worked. So you probably just saw the car because I was spinning around. But, we're going to do a video of me showing you the car. No music, but yeah, so let's get into this. Alright guys, as you just saw, this is a Range Rover. Land Rover, doesn't matter. And I will be showing you guys the interior, but just look at this beauty. It is a freaking Land Rover or Range Rover, doesn't matter. But yes, I'm going to show you guys the interior. So, that green thing right there lights up, and yeah, so, sorry my voice is a little off today, guys, but, so that's the interior here. It's kind of like the old car, you have to slam the doors. But then we look here, sorry for this, but it's really nice, and there's air conditioning and seat warmers right there. So you guys can see it, and then that back there, and it's pretty nice. So it got a little dusty yesterday. We took it out on the farm and drove it and picked red raspberries. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my mom's new car. And we are taking that tomorrow to Pigeon Forge. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. And yeah, so I'll see you back in my room. Alright guys, and another thing I didn't tell you, I've got swimming lessons today. Well, not me, my sister's got swimming lessons today, but I get to go, so I'm so excited about that. And yes, don't know anything else to talk about, so I think I'm going to end the vlog there, but hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.